This Marx-Bensdorf Realtors property video is presented by Myra Sheddan. Total renovation. New roof, HVAC, kitchen cabinets and countertops, appliances, vinyl flooring, water heater, bathroom vanity, toilet, fixtures and tile tub surround, all new ceiling fixtures and refinished hardwood floors. This is a THDA owned property. THDA requires that for the first 30 days, only first-time homebuyers can buy. House is clean as a whistle. Snazzy light fixtures and gleaming hardwoods. Whoever buys this home will be getting a home they can be proud of. For more information, review the details below or contact Myra Sheddan at 901-682-1868.